God says, your life isn't horrible. Just because things aren't going your way, doesn't mean that your life sucks. It just means to be patient, to be bold and to be courageous, because your breakthrough is almost here. This world will fill your mind with millions of things that seem good. Be careful, many of these things will leave you lifeless. Pornography rottenstone the soul. It sets you further from my presence. It is a temporary satisfaction to the flesh, with a consequence of lifelong troubles for the soul. Allow me to set you free. I know that it can feel like I am not with you at times. I know that it gets lonely. Even in those moments, remember I'm still present. This world isn't a place for rest. Heaven is your inheritance, and there you will be in rest. Troubles and tribulations will continue here on earth, but am with you. Today will be a joyful day, but it will take your effort to make it joyful. Shift your thoughts to the goodness instead of negative. Dwell less on what is wrong and more on what is good. I love you. God says, this season was hard for many of you, and I acknowledge your pain. I care about your well-being. I know that at times, it can feel like I'm not there with you. However, I am always there. I'm never going to leave your side. I need you to have exact. You have been anxious for quite some time now, and I conceal the hurt that you feel. It will be okay. I'm giving you strength. Don't give up. I love you.